Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by working safely and efficiently. Jack the car, set stands, remove the wheel and caliper. Use a socket to free the axle nut and unbolt the hub. Once the hub flange is exposed, use a bearing puller or press to extract the bearing race. Take pictures so you can reinstall correctly. Make sure to keep small parts organized in labeled trays. You're now ready to inspect races and cones for pitting or wear before cleaning or replacement. Now you'll remove old grease and contaminants. Soak bearings and races in solvent and agitate gently. Use a nylon brush for stubborn deposits. Once clean, inspect each roller, cage, and race for pitting or heat discoloration. Any damage means replacement. If parts look good, dry them with low-pressure compressed air and wipe with a lint-free cloth. Make sure to check tolerances and play. Excessive clearance or roughness indicates you'll repack bearings liberally. Press grease into the rollers and cages until it oozes slightly. This ensures full coverage and longevity. Reinstall the races and bearings into the hub, seat the hub, and torque the axle nut to the manufacturer's spec while adjusting per load so the hub spins freely without play. Once assembled, spin and listen for roughness. Then drive carefully and recheck per load after 50 to 100 miles. If you hear grinding, vibration, or find excess play, stop and reinspect seals and seating immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.